back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm about to do this lovely short square nail. I'm just applying my nail primer. I already prepped the nails off camera. If you want to see that, you can actually watch my old videos and then you can see how I do my nails. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Lauren. We do Polygel nails, we unbox products, and we also review products. Please stick around, watch all my videos. I will appreciate that a lot. And to our returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys a lot. So I'm gonna apply my nail primer and my extra bond, and then I'll go with my base coat. This is my Madam Glam base coat. I have a 30% discount on it. If you want to get it, you can get it. I love their product. So after applying it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I have my gel liner. This is my red. I'm gonna use it to make an ombre. I have my Makartt Polygel. This is the French press. I got this on Amazon. And I have my clear ROSALIND Polygel. This is also from Amazon. So I have my rubbing alcohol. So first I'm gonna go with the gel liner. I'm gonna apply it on the ring finger and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna go in with the Polygel so I can use it to create an ombre. I'll work it from the cuticle area and then I'll slightly push it down. So guys, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm going to apply the Polygel on all the other nails and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds because I'm going to create a design on the nails. So guys, I'm going to apply the clear on the nail, on just the ombre nails, and then I'll cure it for 16 seconds. So guys, I'm just going to clean the surface of the nails and then I'll start filing. I do this because it prevents my nails from damaging and also it doesn't damage my hand file because Polygel is very sticky. Okay, so I'm just cleaning with my rubbing alcohol and then I'll start filing the nails. I had to use some gloves because I don't want I just did my nails. I don't want my nails to be damaged. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Makartt hand file. I'm gonna file the surface of all the nails. So guys, I'm going to file both sides of the nails and the tip of the nail. So guys, I'm going to go with my e-file. I'm going to use it to file the surface of the nails. I'm going to use it to file the inside of the nails. So guys, I'm gonna go with my sanding band. I'm just gonna use it to file the surface of all the nails. So guys, I'm gonna go with my buffer just to buff all the nails. So guys, I already did this both these nails off camera, so I'm just gonna do the same design that we have here. I'm gonna do it on the pinky, and the one we have on the middle finger, I'm gonna do it on the thumb. Okay, so we're gonna draw a fire flame on this pink. So just relax and watch me do this. I'm not gonna talk over this one because it's very hard to do a fire flame. Guys, if you make any mistake, just have your acetone and a brush, just clean them off. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna line it up with this white liner. So guys, I'll cut for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna add my white gel liner just to line the nails. So guys, I have my blooming gel. I'm gonna apply it on the red part of the nails, and then I'll apply white on it. So guys, I have my stone and my rhinestone glue, and then my top coat. I'm gonna apply it on the ring finger. So guys, I'm going to apply top coat on all the nails, and then I'll cut for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna apply my cuticle on all the nails and then massage it into our skin because it takes out all the ashiness from the nails. So guys, this is the end of these beautiful nails. These nails came out so well, even though it took a lot of time. If you know you enjoyed this video and you understood this tutorial, please like, share, comment and give this design a try. Okay, please, if you're a subscriber and your post notification bell is not turned on, hit the post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. Please like on my video, share on my video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.